Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, I will show you how to set dashes underline in Microsoft Word quickly, whether for your formatting a document for professional purpose or just want to customize your text. This step by step guide will walk you through the process, learn how to modify text, underline style and make your Word document stand out with creative formatting. Now select from the any text option. Now going to the underline icon option. Then click on the dash option, dash underline up. That's it. Then again another text option. Now for select. Now going to the underline icon option. Then click on the dash option. Then again another text option. Now for select. Then apply the same process. That is. Then I show the how to set dashed underline in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my